performance. When you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala, due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Kayanja, your response matters. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I knew I prayed. I knew the angels were pointing in that direction. But my response mattered. And when that was not enough, I went to her house. Her mom had not passed yet. One Saturday, I landed there. And then she was at school. So I went there. You know, we don't have faith and boldness. But when reality comes, we fear. So what I did, I went at her house. And when the mother came, I was not expecting the mother. She won't come here. I was already preaching on TV, so I was known there. She said, hey, Musumba, we're so glad to see you. She changed the prayer, said, this house. In this conference, your response is going to determine how much you are taking home. I'm telling you, all the women who are ministering here today, they are all anointed. They are global women. They are great marriages, great children. They are mothers of their own country. So if you're here today and you want to have a breakthrough, your response will determine how much you are taking home. And unfortunately, it's not just your presence. Your presence brings you where you will respond. So what happened to those 110? What happened to them? What happened to them? In the book of Acts, we only see a few names. We only see a few names. This year is the year of the open gate. This is the year God, for the first time in Africa, is going to make 1 million women billionaires in every country. You know why? You know why? Because God has been watching. And God has seen that if He gives money to women, His kingdom will go further. I say His kingdom will go further. Okay, let me turn to the men. All right. billionaires. To the men who are here. So this is what's going to happen. My segment, I've already exceeded my time. But when she was talking about contending, I said, we have to contend with so many things. But one of the things that we need to tap into, not because Pastor Jessica needs the money, not because the conference needs the money. No. That's completely out. We need to contend with the spirit of poverty. Many women have great visions, great dreams, great purposes, but money has been a problem. I don't know whether money starts with M and M starts with men. I don't know. I feel in my spirit